MongoDB Compass is a GUI tool for interacting with MongoDB databases, allowing you to perform queries visually. Here's how to query in MongoDB Compass. Launch MongoDB Compass. Open MongoDB Compass and connect to your MongoDB instance by entering the connection string. Select Database and Collection. Once connected, choose the database and collection you want to query from the left sidebar. This will open a view of the collection's documents. Query bar. At the top of the Compass interface, there is a query bar where you can input query filters. Basic queries. To filter documents, use JSON format in the query bar. For example, to find documents where age is 25. Projection. To limit the fields returned, use the projection field below the query bar. For example, to return only name and age fields. Sorting and pagination. You can use the sort and limit options in Compass to refine the results. For example, to sort by age in descending order, use the sort option.